In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize a chart on your Squarespace website. This process is simple but powerful, enabling you to present your data in a visually appealing way that complements your website's design. To begin, you'll need to access your Squarespace website editor. This is your control center where you can manage and modify the layout of your site. Once you're there, look for the section where you can add new elements or blocks to your page. This is typically located in the right-hand menu or by hovering over existing page content. When you find the option, simply click on Add Block. Next, you'll be presented with a list of different types of content blocks you can add, such as text, images, and more. Scroll through the options until you find Chart. Click on it to add a chart block to your page. This step integrates the chart framework into your page, allowing you to start customizing it to fit your needs. Once your chart block is in place, click on Edit. This is where the customization begins, and you'll have the opportunity to select the type of chart you want to display. Whether you're looking for a bar chart, line chart, or pie chart, picking the appropriate type is crucial because it determines how your data will be interpreted by viewers. After choosing a chart type, it's time to input your data. You can do this by typing directly within the chart editor. Make sure that your data is accurate and formatted correctly. Consistent data formats make your chart more readable and comprehensible. For instance, if you're charting dates, make sure they're uniformly formatted to avoid confusion. If you have additional data to input, click on the plus icon to add new fields. This feature allows you to expand your data set effortlessly, ensuring that all relevant information is included in your visual display. Now, let's move on to the visual design aspects of your chart. Head over to the Design section. Here you can provide a title for your chart. A simple, descriptive name helps viewers understand the chart's purpose at a glance. Additionally, a caption can be added under the chart, which is useful for elaborating on the data presented or mentioning the data source. Color is an integral part of any visual presentation. Under Design Settings, you can select a color palette that matches your site's theme or enhances the clarity of your data representation. Choose colors wisely to differentiate various data points clearly and to maintain visual consistency with your overall site style. Finally, don't forget to hit Save. This step ensures all the changes and customizations you've made are preserved and live on your website. Congratulations, you've successfully added and customized a chart on your Squarespace site, making your data more engaging and easier to understand for your audience.